So things are going great and you're thinking about maximising your resources and ramping up even higher. We are in a world where a lot of people still believe that the only thing that really motivates people to be creative is problems, disasters. If you talk to someone about coaching or facilitation, often they will think, no, I'll only do that if there's something wrong. This isn't actually a wrong position or an unethical or immoral position at all, but it's an unfortunate position. And the reason I say that is because when things are going well is actually the most productive time to invest in your self-mastery. Because when things are going well, that's the time when you've already you've already contributed and utilised and applied a lot of what is great about you. And a lot of your knowledge and capacities are actually in play. So that means you've got a very good chance to observe what's going on at the moment and analyse that and assess that and say, what is it I'm already doing that really works very, very well? And you can use that information to help leverage the future. And it's much easier to do that when things are going well, as I think is obvious, really. If you try to do that when things are not going well, you're in a less positive and enthusiastic and optimistic frame of mind, so it's more difficult to actually get down and do that. But secondly, the evidence is not there in front of you. So when the evidence is there in front of you, that's the time to assess that evidence and say, right, this is what I'm doing well, this is what my people are doing well, this is why my project's working, this is how this current circumstances is supporting what we're doing, this is what we can learn from this, and this is how we can now leverage that information for the future. So it really is the time to do it. And investing in your own self-mastery is a great way to do it, because what that does is it gives you the information that is unique to you rather than the information about what everybody else is doing, which of course is really valuable information, but it's kind of less relevant, less important than the information about what you personally bring to the table, because that's the one thing that you have power over and that you can utilize and leverage for even greater success.